still remember the way you looked at me, like I was something you were meant to see. Through all my scars, you stayed so close, even when I didn't love myself the most. You hold my silence like it's a song. You make me feel like I belong, even when the world turns cold and blue. Somehow I always come back to you. And when I fall apart inside, you don't run, you stay by my side. It's still you, it's still you, through every I still remember the way you looked at me, like I was something you were meant to see. Through all my scars, you stayed so close, even when I didn't love myself the most. You hold my silence like it's a song. You make me feel like I belong, even when the world turns cold and blue. Somehow I always come back to you. And when I fall apart inside, you don't run, you stay by my side. It's still you, it's still you, through every We met in the noise of a neon night, two different worlds, but it felt so right. You talk too fast, I overthink, but somehow we always find a link. Every street light tells a story, every wrong turn leads me to your heart. We argue, we break, we bend, we shake, but we never fall too far apart. Oh, even when the world gets loud, you're still the calm I found. In the city of us, we learn how to love, not perfect now. Na, 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 na. I woke up with a vision in my mind. No more waiting, now it's my time. Used to doubt, but I let that go. Now I move with a steady flow. I don't run, I don't chase no more. What's for me comes right to my door. Energy high, yeah, I'm in my zone. Built this life, now I own my throne. I believe it, I receive it. Every day I'm leveling up. No more fear, crystal clear. I was made for more than enough. I take control of my life, yeah. I'm shining bright, no limits inside. I don't chase, I attract, yeah. Everything I want comes right back. Wealth comes to me easily, abundant. I take control. I take control. I take control. Yeah. I woke up with a vision in my mind. No more waiting, now it's my time. Used to doubt, but I let that go. Now I move with a steady flow. I don't run, I don't chase no more. What's for me comes right to my door. Energy high, yeah, I'm in my zone. Built this life, now I own my throne. I believe it, I receive it. Every day I'm leveling up. No more fear, crystal clear. I was made for more than enough. I take control of my life, yeah. I'm shining bright, no limits inside. This is Live Good. I've been tired, I've been tested, carry dreams no one could see. Late nights praying for direction, still believing there's more for me. I've been knocked down, still I rise with a fire deep inside. I don't quit when things get heavy, I was built for this life. I've got people counting on me, I've got reasons to be strong. This is bigger than the struggle, this is why I keep going on. This is why I show up every day, even when the road feels long. I'm building hope, I'm changing lives, turning pain into a song. I'm not here just for the money, I'm here for freedom, faith and love. This is my why, this is my purpose, this is why I never give up. I've seen fear try to stop me, heard the doubts, heard the noise, but I chose belief over comfort, and I chose to use my voice. I'm building something that matters, legacy over today. If my story lights the way for one soul, then it's worth every step I take. If you're tired, if you're broken, if you're searching just like me, know your season is still coming. You were meant for more, believe. This is why I show up every day with my heart open wide. I'm walking proof that change is real when you don't quit on your why. I'll keep rising, I'll keep sharing till the world feels what I feel. This is my why, this is my calling, this is why I do what I do. This is why I show up.
Ayun. This is why I show up. Alright, pahinaan muna natin. Alright, yan ang music natin today. This is why I show up. Grabe, no? So, hello. Ang ganda ni Coach Pinky daw, sabi ni Coach Teresa. Thank you. Ang ganda ng background ko, no? Alright. So, kumusta kayo, guys? So, did you miss me? Basa-basa muna natin yung mga messages, no? Ano, nakikita ko kayo kanina, pero sabi ko, padagdagan mo na para marami kayo bago we will start, right? So, yes, of course, ang ating early bird, Teresa Very. Alright, good evening, Coach Pinky from Bacolod City, Philippines. Done. Like, share, alright? And Brabs Vlog, sandali lang. Ano ko muna yung music natin? Parang medyo malakas pa rin. Ano tayo, guys? No? I-check nyo nga, guys. Loud and clear ba tayo? Parang mahina naman. I-check nyo daw. Parang malakas. Okay na ba yun? That's good enough, right? Alright, so, sino ba to? Alright, good evening from Robert Vlogs. Good evening, Coach, watching from Pulunuling, Tupi, South Cotabato, Philippines. Mac Jobert, good evening, everyone. Teresa Very watching from city of Bacolod City, Philippines. Dan, Teresa, done. Like, share, and done. Norma, share, done. Alright, Teresa Very, like, share, and done. Norma, hello po, watching from the mom, Saudi Arabia. Mga kapart blooming Coach Pinky. Alright, yes, blooming, no? Ang kulay, basta, i-ano mo kasi yung mga colorful, parang talagang ma-revive tayo, no? Grabe, no? So, yes, done. Si Rota Muses, Juliza Kimpan, watching live from Tupi, South Cotabato, Philippines. Margie Dan, alright. Good morning, Ma'am Pinky, yes. Elisa Usman, Dan share. Alright, Live, good morning. Watching from Saudi Arabia, si Elisa, Rosel. Good evening, Coach Pinky, Jobert, Dan, Rosel. Good evening sa lahat. Alright, basa-basa ko ng Joven, Dan shared. Teresa, Roshandel, Pretty Coach Pinky, yay! Like, share and done. Juliza, good, beautiful evening, Coach. Mila Tolentino, good morning, Coach Pinky, watching from Marikina, Philippines. Ruth, yes po. Okay then, loud and clear. Thank you sa mga nag-type ng loud and clear, no? Watching from Bukidnon, si Rosel. Alright. Loud and clear, sabi ni Mac Jobert. Watching from Cagayan de Oro, si Roshandel. Teresa Very. Mila, Ruth. Okay, Jessimich, Dan, watching. Alright. Thank you so much sa mga nag-type, no? So, again, today is Thursday. It's our Thursday live and it's time check tayo. It's 10:42 na dito sa akin in the morning, Thursday, right? And then I know in the Philippines it's also the same but it's nighttime. Okay? So ano bang topic natin today? I want to share powerful lessons I learned about being intentional in life, in our health, in our relationship, and anything like success, you know? I learned that success is not accidental, it is intentional, okay? It is built through small daily actions, repeatedly, consistently over time. So, bakit nasabi ko yan? Because in my case, hindi ako marunong ng magganito before. I mean, I have, kasi guys, you don't want to go like, before, I don't want to go live because I was thinking, isip ko lang sa sarili ko, bakit ako magla-live? Baka maraming mga negative dyan na magsasabi, who are you by the way? Did you earn this? You know, something like that. But, you know guys, if you don't do it, wala talagang mangyayari. Alright? So, I started like, of course, I started with what I learned, I share. Because I'm not expert here that ganito, gawin mo, ganito. No, hindi. Because this is just based on my experience that what I learned from somebody who has result. Okay? So, I am here because of that. So, kung ginagawa mo din yan daily, you know, you build confidence, you know, you mag-improve yung I learned this from that. So, you shared it, right? So, that's what I am doing. So, talagang you have to do it consistently over time. Alright? So, yun. Pero yan natin, no? During this live, we will talk about why intentional living matters, how consistency creates success, how to protect your focus and energy. Sana kumano natin sa time natin, no? But let's a bit, pa konti-konti lang, no? No? So, and then why we're serving others is the fastest way to, you know, yung growth mo. Okay? And then simple health habits that support long-term wellness. Okay? And then we will also talk about product I personally use and I learned more about, especially the factor 4. Alright? Okay? Ito yung 4 science-backed nutrients that support overall wellness. And ano natin, live raffle, paano ba kayo ma-qualify sa ating pa-raffle? Kasi dito sa akin, yes, it's parang to support, right? So you need to join my live, okay? To be included in the raffle, you need to join the live, like the live, share the live, and comment down. Of course, you like, share, right? And then, of course, we have community goals, guys. Share natin para marami naman tayong ma-share na, no? We need 100 viewers, 100 shares, 1,000 comments, 1,000 reactions. So, share natin, guys. Ako nga, share ko din, no? Dami kong sinishare, no? And then, keep tapping. Alright? And, ano ba yan? Alright. So, when we reach it, as soon as possible, then we will go our raffle, right? Of course, pabonus tayo, guys. Kung darating tayo ng 200, no? 200 at mamintay natin, we will raffle my Live Good Factor 4. Alright? So, guys, alam mo, actually, ang dami-dami kong ano ngayon. Kasi, maybe I will show you how I will take my NAD. Alright? Alright? And, I don't know if kasi sabi nila, okay lang naman ang methylene blue. Right? And I have this detox, okay? So, I was partying last night. Of course, there's a little bit drinking, right? So, para maano yung toxin na iniinom ko last night, I'm gonna drink it and I'm gonna show you how. Okay? Just 2 drops of this one to like a water and just drink it. I'll show it later, guys. Alright? So, ano pa? Okay, so also, we have guidelines, no? Kung early bird kayo and you keep commenting, interacting, you will be part of our early bird. So meaning, early ka nga, and then you've been interacting, so meaning you have extra raffle entry. Okay? And then may pag-games ako, yung pag-games ko naman is more on, like, if you win, then you will have extra raffle entry. And, you know na, ang prices ko lang naman is tagta 200 na pang load lang, no? Kasi kailangan nyo naman minsan, it's not much, pero syempre, thank you ko na rin sa inyo, no? Na nandito kayo, supporting me, you know? Yeah, so thank you, no? Basay-basay muna natin yung beautiful Coach Pinky. Good evening from Mila, alright? Watching from Bukidnon, si Rosel. Hello, Coach Pinky. And to everyone watching from Antipolo. Oh, Ruth Tameses. All right, watching. All right, Jessamita is watching. Rosel, pretty much Coach Pinky. All right, thank you, Roshandel, Rosel, Miss Dan, watching. Hello po, Coach, watching from Saudi Arabia. Si Miss Dan. All right, Miss Dan, thank you. Jeliza. All right. Wow, ang ganda ng product sa Live Good, Coach. Yes. Napakaganda talaga, Roshandel. Alright. So, okay, mag-start na tayo, no? I'm supposedly to, like, natin. Pero sige, mag-start na tayo. So, kung nag-type na kayo na done, kung wala pa kayo nag-type na done, type na kayo na done. Kasi yun ang basis din, no? So, like, share, comment done. Okay? Right? And then, nga tayo, guys? Let me know where you watching from. I know yung iba nagsasabi na, no, kung where they were watching from. If you are watching live or if you are watching replay, type replay and then kung saan kayo nag-watch. Okay? So, before we begin, I wanted to remind everyone to, talaga, guys, i-like this live, no? Para marami makomit natin yung community goal natin. And please share it, okay? Publicly. wag lang itago, alright? And comment down once you share it. We will explain the raffle mechanics again later for everyone who is new dito, okay? Like to join the live always po kahit late na. No problem, MC Jober. Alright, so before anything else, let's start with gratitude, okay? Let's start with gratitude. Think a moment and think what is one thing you are grateful today. Okay? So I will start. I am grateful for life, for health, and for the opportunity to connect with all of you today, right? Sometimes people start their day with stress or complaints, but I learned that when you start with gratitude, guys, your mindset changes everything. Yes, talagang na yan, no? Proven, right? Now, itong game natin number 1. Comment below what you are grateful for today and hanapin natin number 35. What are you grateful for today? Game 1 natin yan, ha? Of course, hanapin natin number 35. What are you grateful for today, guys? Watching from 2P. Thank you sa mga nag-type, no? MC Jobert, Grabs Vlog, Jeliza, watching from Tupi, South Cotabato, Philippines. Alright, sige, keep typing. So, alright, grateful for strength. Okay, si Ruth. Ano pa? While I am drinking my coffee with collagen. Okay, my coffee with collagen. Alam niyo na, I cannot have my coffee without my collagen. Okay, strength, provision, protection. Okay, grateful for live good. All right, grateful for our safety during earthquake. Yes, grateful for the being healthy. Good health, Jerusel. Teresa, strength. Brabs is grateful for safety during earthquake. Thank God, right? Very grateful about that. And provision, strength. Julisa, grateful for my life that we are safe from the earthquake. All right. Thank God, right? All right. Margie, safety every day. Roshanda is blessful. Teresa, strength. Mila, healthy and blessing. All right. Thank you so much no, sa mga nag-type. Okay, I will find number 35, right? So that we have extra raffle entries. So while you are typing, keep typing, keep typing. And I'll be finding 35. All right. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Hello! Sabi ni Teresa, very strength daw. Okay, Teresa, you have extra raffle entry. Congratulations. Alright. Right, so everybody is grateful, no? Thank you so much for the for typing. Yeah, grateful for. Ang dami-dami nating guys, papasalamat, no? Number 1 talaga. Syempre, lalo na kagigising mo lang. You know? And then, if you have your whole day, and then you have a great day, so that is then, okay? I see Margie Soyang safety. Alright? Okay. So, we will do our, simple lang ito. Okay? We will do our, tawagin na lang natin early bird game tayo, guys. Okay? Early bird game. Kasi, kung hindi kayo magsasagot dito, hindi kayo maano. No? Okay. So, type nga kayo game 2. Type kayo game 2 kung gusto nyo game 2. Congratulations daw sabi ni July. Late ako sa busy. It's okay, Annalisa. Alright. Kailangan kayo guys, beautiful morning coach Mickey. Kailangan sagot-sagot kayo guys kasi tinitingnan ng admin ko. No, tinitingnan ng admin ko if you're interactive. It's not like because you're here but you're not messaging, you will be included in the raffle. We will change that because our admin noticed na nandyan kayo but you're not interacting. So if you're not interacting, you will not be included in the raffle, okay? Okay, you're not be included in the raffle. So you need to interact, alright? By the way, shout out sa aking special admin na talagang napakasipag behind the scene, nagmo-monitor sa inyo guys, no? Kasi mahirap magpaano ng paraffle if by myself. I really need help. So, special admin, thank you so much. You are very much appreciated. Okay, thank you so much. Kasi alam niyo na, sabi nga nila, you have to, kailangan teamwork, no? To make your dream work. Okay, so my dream is to have a successful live every time mag-live ako. So that's why I really need someone behind the scene to help me out. Right? Thank you so much. Alright, okay, game 2 na. Okay, sige, type na kayo ready kung gusto nyo ng game 2. Very simple lang ito. Okay, game 2 natin para sa mga early bird natin na nandito, no? type, I am intentional. Okay? I am intentional at ang number 36 na nag-type ng I am intentional is the winner. Okay? I am intentional. Okay? While you are commenting, I want to remind everyone, today's topic is very, very important. We will talk about being intentional in life. Okay? Intentional in life. That's what we are going to talk about today. Alright, ready? Grabe, ready. Type na kayo sa mga sagot niya. Juliza, I see Margie Suyang, Mila Tolentino, MC Jobert. Sila lang tatlo nakikita ko. Keep typing, guys. Alright, Teresa Very, Ruth Tameses, I am intentional. Okay, keep typing, I am intentional. And I will find number 36. Kasi, that is our topic today. Okay, very, very important. We will talk about that, kung bakit importante ang maging intentional in life. Alright, thank you sa mga nag-type. Okay, alam ko, Margie Suyang, Mila Tolentino, Rota Mrs., okay? Juliza, Teresa, Brabs Vlog, okay. Let me just count it, number 36, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Alright, I see Brabs Vlog. Congratulations, Brabs Vlog. Guys, keep typing kasi tinitingnan ko talaga kung sino nagta-type dyan, guys. Alright? Brabs Vlog, congratulations for extra raffle entry. Maswerte to si Brabs Vlog, ah. Lagi natatawag. Alright, let's do thank you now. Ruta Mrs., Miss Dan, Annalisa, Rostel, Margie Suyang. Sino pa bang nagtatype? Mac Jobert. Dami. Thank you so much, guys, for typing. Mila Tolentino. Okay. JC Mitch. Miss Dan. Okay, nabalik-balik na to. Annalisa. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for typing. Ang haba na pala. Hindi ko na makita. Ay. Alright. Juliza. Yes, congratulations. Congratulations, Robert. Congratulations, Teresa, for extra raffle entry. Okay, tingnan ko nga ha. Sandi lang. Tingnan ko muna kung may ano na ba, may message na ba. Wala pa siguro. Meron na ba? Meron na bang message sa aking special admin? Sandali lang, guys, ha. Alright. Wala pa. Okay. So, thank you sa mga nag-type. Congratulations sa mga na-winner natin, no? Okay, so let's talk about something while, kasi importante dito is to learn, right? Hindi puro pag-game lang tayo. Game is just for fun. Pero, meron dapat tayong matutunan while you were doing the games, okay? So, today's topic is be intentional. Bakit some people grow faster than others? Because ito natutunan ko something very powerful. Success is not accidental. Success is intentional. So a lot of people want better health. A lot of people want more income, better relationship, more freedom, more time. But one thing is not enough, guys. Alam nyo ba yan? I'm sure alam nyo, no? That one lang is not enough. We must become intentional in our actions every single day. Okay? Kung want lang kasi pero wala ka namang ginagawa, walang mangyayari. Okay? So let me ask you something. Okay? Where does most of your time go every day? Ano ba ginagawa nyo every day? Be honest with yourself, ha? Be honest with yourself. Okay. anong ginagawa nyo? Is it scrolling on social media? Watching TV? Overthinking? Complaining a lot? Or negative conversation? Or is it learning? Is it growing? Is it building your future? Helping others? Okay? I learned that success, guys, dapat nakafocus tayo. Okay? Kung saan yung focus mo, where your attention goes, your life follows. Okay? Type nga kayo, mag-game 2 tayo. Time kayo, game 2, game 3 na, game 3. Game 3 tayo, type game 3. Game 3 kung gusto niyo ng game 3, okay? Simple game lang ito. Okay, so wala naman nag-type pa. Saan ba? Late ba? Late? Keep typing, keep typing. Game 3 tayo. Alright, Margie, game 3. Sino pa? Si Margie lang ba ang gusto? Me in school day daw. So, kahit ano no, i-ano nyo kung anong iniisip nyo talaga. What do you do every day, guys? Like, ano ba talaga ang nakafocus kayo? Right? Saan kayo nakafocus? Alright? Type nyo nga, yun ang game 3 natin. Okay? Saan yung, where does most of your time go every day? Saan ba kayo nakafocus every day? Ano ba ginagawa nyo in a day? So type, be honest ha, be honest. Kasi wala namang wrong and right answer dito. Gusto lang natin, you need to be honest what you're doing. Okay? Like me, I focus on ano talaga, content creation. Yun ang pinafocus ko every day, right? And chinecheck ko, syempre, if you do the content creation, even I'm still also learning at the same time. And aside from that, meron din akong mga ginagawa na, like for example, I have Zoom, you know, I have to study with that, guys. So yun na ano ko, yung day ko talaga is focus on my content creation talaga ganun ako nakafocus. Yeah, even if, to be honest with you guys, siguro kayo dito mas malaki pa yung mga ano nyo, mga followers nyo compare sa akin, no? But it doesn't mean, kasi yung followers kasi, okay lang naman kasi yan. Pero, you need to have, I want to have people who followed me intentional. And talagang pinapollow ako because they wanna learn something from me. Hindi yung na-follow lang for the sake of follow to follow. No. I want you to understand na very important talaga sa akin yung authenticity, na you follow me because of my content, you follow me because you wanna learn something from me. Parang ganun. Wag lang yung ano. Kasi ako nga is I am more on I learned and then I'll share. This is me. I learned and I share. Talagang ganun. Kahit ano na guys, minsan nga siguro one of these days magano ako ng topic na kasi I learned something about this, how to create the content, you know, parang ganun. So maybe one of these days. Alright, basahin nga natin. Okay, family and doing content at the same time, sabi ni Juliza, alright. And ano pa, si Ruth is studying on topics to post. Okay, yeah, that's a good thing too. Alright, family and doing content at the same time. Alright, I see. Prospecting daw si Annalisa. Family and children si Rosel. Alright, prospecting si Mila. Focus on study si Jobert. Alright. That's good, Jobert, no? Mac Jobert. Engaging with people through comments. Alright. Sabi naman ni Ruth Tamesis. Focus on study. Alright. Focus. Share my business work. Okay. Alright. Alright. Thank you na. Thank you. So we'll get number 37. Thank you sa mga nag-type. Okay. Let me find out, like, okay, focus on how to be successful, sabi ni Margie. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. All right, Mac Jobert, focus on study. Congratulations, Mac Jobert, extra raffle entry. All right. So, no, dapat talaga, no? Kung ano yung nakafocus mo. Okay, type tayo game 4 kung gusto tayo ng game 4 para mas mabilis, para mas marami. Updating my contact list. Sabi ni Rosta Masters, focus on study. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's go game number 4. Game number 4 tayo, guys. Okay? Type ready. Kung ready kayo, type ready para mag-ano na. This is very simple game. Type one word only and then ano na. Okay, ready nga? Let me see one ready and itatanong ko ng question dito. Focus my family, take care of my grandson, very small baby, okay? Teresa, very. Alright, game 4, type ready. Okay, ready. So, simple game tayo. Type one word only. Okay? And I will choose number 38. Focus. F-O-C-U-I-S. I will choose number 38. Okay? Para bonus entry. Okay? Type kayo ng focus and hanapin ko number 38. So, while you're doing that, let's talk about health. Okay? So, health does not happen by accident as well. Okay? Health is built by daily choices. What do you do consistently matters more than what you can do occasionally. So, meaning, iba talaga pag consistent ka, tinitake mo yung mga whatever you do. Like, if you want to do exercise, at least kahit maliit but consistent. Okay? Yun ang importante. Kaysa, ngayon, this month, nag-exercise ka, next month, you forgot about it. You have to do it kahit maliit lang, pero consistent. Okay? So, I also learned from experience and training that we must become the product of the product. Okay? Meaning, when you believe in your wellness journey, you also practice it daily. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Right? Siyempre, nagpo-promote ka pero hindi ka naman nagtitake. That's not good. Yeah, you have to take it because you can tell it yourself, right? At hindi ka talaga mahiya sa Live Good product, guys, because Live Good product is talagang napakaganda, okay? This is where, that is why Live Good becomes part of my routine, right? Live Good is a wellness company na nakafocus sa high quality, right? High quality product, okay? High quality supplement, pero affordable siya. And of course, it's designed to support better health globally, okay? So, I want to share one product I personally use later. Of course, yung Factor 4. Well, let's explain about Factor 4. Bakit ba talagang pinopromote dito? Because this has been our number one product with Live Good, right? And I want to share kasi talagang napakaganda ng product neto, guys. Okay, hindi lang personally ako, no, kung pupunta kayo sa website ng Live Good talaga, if you can see Factor 4. Alright, ang dami-dami nag-type na focus, no? Hanapin ko number 38. Sandali lang. Ang haba na. Okay, hold on. Hindi ko na makita. Aba, ang haba. Pabalik na ako. Right, here we go. Okay, Margie Suyang. Okay, Mac Jobert, focus, and Margie, Teresa, Elisa, Miss Dan. Okay, let me type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. All right. I see Margie So Young. Extra raffle entry. Congratulations. Okay. So, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-ano, no? Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-ano ng... Hindi natin i-explain ang factor 4. Okay, let's talk about this factor 4, guys. So, itong factor 4 is blend of 4 powerful science-backed ingredients, which is fish oil, turmeric, QQ10, and garlic. Okay? So, ang fish oil is, alam na natin, para sa support ng heart, ng brain, and joint health, di ba? Ang turmeric naman, nakaka-help support the body's healthy inflammatory response. Okay? And then, ang QQ10 naman supports energy production at the cellular level. And garlic extract, nakaka-support sa ating circulation, right? Immune function, and overall wellness. Okay, so itong apat na to, they work together in one convenient formula designed to support overall wellness and daily vitality. So anong important dito? Gusto ko lang isabihin dito talaga na reminder sa inyo, no? Na hindi ito intended to diagnose, hindi ito intended to cure or to prevent any diseases. It is a wellness support supplement, okay? Like sa asawa ko, palagi ko itong sinasabi na ang asawa ko nga having a hip issue kasi nga may hip surgery siya when he was 16 and 62 na siya ngayon. So, can you imagine, guys? Talagang parang yung mobility niya different na. But because of the help of this one, hindi siya nahihirapan. Alright? This really helped. Alright? Sa asawa ko. Okay! Tanong ko nga sa inyo, gusto niyo ba pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa itong detox? Kasi ganito, guys. Ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko lang siya sa tubig, no? Okay? And then, kasi ito siya, kunyari, katulad ko kagabi, I was partying, right? So, kailangan kong i-ano yung mga toxins ng mga alcohol na ininom ko kahapon. Alright, so I will put like 2 dropper full of this one, right? Tapos inumin lang siya, guys. Normally, I use a straw. Kasi ganun ako, maarte. Okay? So, ito na siya. Gamitin ko ng straw, right? There you go. So, para ma-release yung mga toxins sa katawan ko, no? That's why I use that detox. Lalo na pag umiinom ka, lalo na yung kung ano yung kinakain mo na may mga toxin na it's not good with your... Actually, I also take liver support. Kasi, syempre, lalo na pag mahinig ka no? Supportahan mo yung liver mo, no? So, talagang napaganda, guys. So, it gives like, mga toxin maalis. Alright! Maganda siya, coach, para sa 50 plus up. Yes, ano pa? Alright, Yoho, 20 million na pala tayo. Oh, thank you, Juliza. watching Mila Tolentino, Teresa Very, Julissa, yes, ma'am. Winner yan, Factor 4. Naka-TikTok na. Nakalakad na ng maayos. O, diba? Naka-TikTok na daw si Annalisa at nakalakad na ng maayos. Thank you na. Okay. Ano nga kayo, guys? Mag-type nga kayo kung gusto nyo pa ba ng, ano na tayo 48 minutes. Aba, bilis natin today, ha? Okay, type kayo game 5. Dami tayong ano ngayon, ha? Game 5 nga kayo. Watching, alright? Maganda siya, alright? Yes, ma'am. Okay, game 5 tayo. Kung nakinig kayo sa sinabi ko kanina, you can answer this one, okay? Alright, game 5. Kung ready na kayo, type game 5, and then type ready. So ito guys, kung nakinig kayo kanina guys, you can answer this one. Pag hindi kayo makasagot, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Okay. Alright, game 5, type ready kung ready na. Okay, Mac Jobert ready. Okay, Margie Suyang ready. Lydia ready, game 5. Okay. Alright. Okay, so ito yung ito yung may mga dalawang entry. Teresa Very, Julissa Kimpan, Rabs Vlog, Mac Jobert, Elisa, Mila Tolentino, Margie Suyang, Juben Ray Body, Roshandel, Norma, Annalisa, Ruta Mrs., Miss Dan, and GC, Mitch Bongolto. And then, one raffle is Lydia and Maria Janet. Oh, nandito si Maria Janet. Di ko nakita. Alright. So, ito na yung ito yung, okay. Quick question, and then you answer it, okay? Okay? How many ingredients are in Factor 4? How many ingredients are in Factor 4? Comment kayo, and then hanapin ko number 39. Okay, number 39. While you're doing that, let's talk about relationship. While you're typing, okay? Okay, let's talk about relationship. Business and success are not just about product. Okay? They are about the people. Alright? People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, right? Yun ang importante, guys. People do not care how much you know. Okay? But if they know how much you care, then they will follow you. Experience nyo yan, guys. Experience. Alright, thank you, no? Yes. We have Factor 4. Kaya nga tinawag Factor 4 kasi 4 ang nandyan. Oh my God. Okay, Lydia, Annalisa, Ruta Meses, Elisa Osman, Maria Janet, okay. Ooh, thank you for, nandito si Maria Janet, okay, Annalisa, Lydia, okay. So, hanapin ko number 39. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 30, 38, 39. All right, I see Ruth Mrs. Si Ruth Mrs. Feeling ko mananalo na naman ito. Alright, thank you sa mga nag-type. No, yes, we have 4 ingredients. Ano-ano nga yun? Ano yung 4 na ingredients ng factor 4, di ba? Fish oil, CoQ10, turmeric, and garlic extract. Alright. Galing-galing. Ang mga galing-galing talaga, ha? Nakikinig talaga, di ba? Alright. So, ano na ba? Okay, we are 53 minutes, okay? So, let's talk about intentionality. Okay, success intentionality. Okay. So, success leaves clues. Okay? Ano ba 'yun? Ano ibig sabihin 'yan? Okay. Successful people are consistent, intentional, focused, and disciplined. Okay? Unsuccessful habits come from distractions of inconsistency. Okay? Again, ang ano daw, success leave clues kasi ang mga successful people nakikita mo consistent sila, intentional, nakafocus talaga at disciplined sila. Pero yung unsuccessful habits natin come from distraction and inconsistency. Okay. So, talaga, your future is shaped by your daily habits. Okay, kung ano yung ginagawa mo everyday, ganun ang mangyayari in your future. Okay? So, kailangan ang gagawin mo is you have to protect your focus, protect your energy, and protect your time. Kaya, very important talaga. And I'm guilty here too kasi sometimes meron akong list pero sometimes hindi ko napapollow, no? Kasi sometimes talaga diyan ako nakafocus sa aking content creation, yung paggagawa ng mga videos ko talagang it really takes time for me. Kasi hindi lang ako basta gumagawa ng video, no? Kailangan intentional din ako na ano bang gusto kong iparating sa mga taong nagtitingin sa aking video. So talagang ganun. So yes, it's very important talaga yung nakafocus tayo. So, ano bang yung dapat gagawin natin para makafocus tayo? Dapat may list talaga tayo. Okay? Itong gawin ko una. Itong pangalawa. Itong pangatlo. Kasi pag wala kasi talagang madefocus tayo. Right? And then parang naka-blocking yan. In these 2 hours, this is what you only have to do. In these 2 hours, this is another. Ganun, guys. Ganun talaga. Anyway, thank you so much no sa mga nag-type. 4 ingredients and factor 4. Fish oil, CoQ10, turmeric, and garlic. Thank you, Juliza, for typing that. Alright. Turmeric. Alright. Ruta Mrs. Thank you. Napakagaling talaga ninyo, guys. Talagang pinag-aralan nyo, no? Okay, alam ko naman na magagaling na tayo dito. Pero syempre, may mga bago din tayo dito, no? That's why we are still doing this and wanted to share our knowledge, our, ang value na talagang i-ano natin, no, yung value na naka-align sa ating vision. Diba? Kailangan talaga. Okay. Gusto niyo pa ba ng game number 6? Kasi 56 minutes na tayo, no? Pwede pa tayo, guys. Sige. Type na kayo, game 6 tayo. Dami kaya ngayon, no? Game number 6 tayo, guys. And 40 ang hanapin ko. Okay? Okay. Game number 6 natin is fill in the blank lang tayo. Okay? Fill in the blank. Okay, type kayo. Game 6. Congratulations na. We have 17 million. Keep typing. 17 million tayo, guys. So while you were doing that, guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko tinitake ang NAD. Ang NAD, guys, is anti-aging ito, guys. Anti-aging. Alam mo na, 56 na tayo. Sometimes, makakalimutan na natin yung ano. So, ganito siya, guys. So, it comes with 15 strips, okay? So, this is an advanced cellular energy support. Okay? Ano siya? Dissolvable strip. Okay? So, it comes with like this, pero 15. Okay? Isang box. Okay, game 6. Sige, type kayo game 6. Pag ready na kayo, type ready. So, ganito siya. So, clear siya talaga, oh. Ang lasa niya is lemon. Ganito lang. See? So, kailangan, ang instruction nito is kailangan ilagay mo lang dito sa top of your tongue or something and then let it dissolve. Okay, let it dissolve kasi hindi siya mas effective kung hindi ma-dissolve. Tapos ang lasa niya guys is parang lemon siya, lemon. Yeah. Ano ko nga, saan ba to? Basahin ko lang para mas importante maalam nyo kung anong purpose ng. So this is support cellular energy, brain and focus support, and then promote healthy aging. Right? So, bakit importante itong NAD? Ito daw, NAD is involved in thousands of cellular processes and is essential for energy production, brain and nervous system support, DNA repair and cellular protection, metabolic health, and healthy aging. So, bakit dissolvable strep siya? Para mas madali and convenient delivery. No swallowing capsule. Okay? Easy to take anytime, anywhere. And it's designed for efficient absorption. Okay? So, napakaganda. So, what is sinasabi the Live Good difference? Bakit of all the brand, bakit sa Live Good tayo? As with all Live Good product, NAD plus dissolvable strips are made with high quality ingredients, full transparency, may third party testing tayo dito, and of course, lowest prices every day. Kaya, mag-live good na kayo. Ang dami-daming NAD doon, guys. You say, if you search it, ang dami-daming makikita mong NAD plus. But, with Live Good, high quality na siya, may full transparency, nakikita mo may third party testing tayo guys, so talagang napakaganda. That's why hindi tayo nahihiya. Ako, I'm very very proud to promote Live Good because talagang effective, napakaganda ng quality, no? Hindi, kung nagbabayad ka lang ng mahal, bakit dun ka sa mahal kung meron namang magandang quality pero affordable, di ba? Why not? Ayan. Yes, Rosel, ang ganda talaga ng NAD+. Napakaganda talaga. Alright, thank you. No? Ready na kayo? So, this is our game. Number 6. Fill in the blank. Success is not an blank. Success is not an blank. Ang success daw, hindi daw blank. Ang success is not blank. Okay? Okay, ready? Type na kayo guys. Ang success is not blank. Okay? Success is blank. Okay, it's a double sword ito. Okay? Okay, yeah, thank you, Rose and Mrs. Success is not an accident. Thank you, yes. Success is not easy, all right? Okay, Miss Dan, ang tanong, success is not blank. Okay, anong blank? Okay? I've been telling earlier na ang success is not an accident, it is intentional. Okay? So, yan ang tanong. Success is an blank. Meron na nakasagot kanina pero yeah. Pero, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it's not an accident. It's intentional. It's not easy to achieve. Ang point talaga dito guys is, kung nakikinig kayo kanina sa akin, sinasabi ko kanina, success is not an accident talaga guys. It is intentional. Talagang ginagawa mo. You have to take action. Right? Okay. Salamat sa mga nag-type, no? Malapit na tayo matapos. Alright. So, before we end, no? Mag-raffle muna tayo, di ba? All right. Success is not accident, it's intentional. Okay. All right. Okay, let's find the answer, okay? Okay, ang ano ko ha, sige. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Tama ba yun? Hold on. Let me go back kasi na ano yata eh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 59, 40. All right. It's Margie. So, yang ang ano talaga dito, guys. Okay. Margie. Hindi pala kasi sabi ni Margie dito, not easy. Let me count it, guys, kasi parang nagkamali yata ako. Sandali let me recount it again guys kasi mayroon na yatang na ano ko. So ang ano ko dito guys no. Ang importante no, accident. It is not an accident, it is intentional. But some of you did not really answer it right, but I'm just still gonna count it, right? Kasi kahit nagsagot kayo, but we just have to make sure na tama yung counting ko. Alright, so accident, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 25, 26, 27. Alright. I see Mila Tolentino, guys. Nagkamali ako ng counting kanina. Alright, so ito yung winner natin with the game. Teresa Berry, Brabs Vlog, Mac Jobert, Margie Suyang, Ruta Mrs. and Mila Tolentino. Alright, pero guys, ang answer talaga is success is not an accident, it is intentional, okay? Ang dami-dami niyong sagot pero kinakount ko na rin kasi since, we just have to, whoever type something there, okay? So, tinype ko. So, yun ang number 40. So, yeah, ang sagot naman ni Mila is not easy to get. Yes. Yes, because it's not yet an accident. It is intentional. Alright. Alright, so, sandali ha. Na tayo? Ready na kayo ng ating games, guys? Okay? You're welcome, Coach Mila. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna copy. Alright, so make sure admin na nandyan yung even yung mga raffle entry qualifiers, okay lang yung sa first double entries. Make sure that they're really making a message. Okay, kasi ito siya. Nakikita mo ba yan? Ay, hindi ko nakikita nag-message. So make sure na yung nag-message lang talaga, guys. Okay, make sure that yung mapasali natin sa is talagang ginagawa yung yung raffle qualifier natin. You need to interact, okay? Join my live, interact during my live, like and share and comment done. If you're not going to do that, then you are not qualified. So you need to have to do it. So paki-check admin please. Kasi meron ako nakita na hindi naman wala naman nag-interact. Alright, let me finalize the list, okay? Alright. Admin, paki-check admin. Alright, so thank you Lydia, Joven Ray, Buddy, okay? Nag-react siya. I didn't see any message. Nandito ba siya? Okay, make sure you comment done. If you don't comment done, hindi kayo included sa raffle. Kailangan talaga, you need to comment done. Comment done, like, share, and comment done. Guys, para hindi naman unfair sa iba. Hindi unfair sa iba ng mga nandito na they are really following instruction. So make sure if you want to be part of our raffle, make sure you follow instructions, okay? If you haven't, we're gonna not include you. So, okay. Finalize na natin. Okay, hold on. Okay, make sure you comment done. Okay, you comment done because ito yung 2 entries natin. Meaning, ito yung mga early bird na nag-join at nag-interact. Okay, Teresa Berry, Julia Kim Fan, Brabs Vlog, Mac Jobert, Elisa Osman, Mila Tolentino, Margie Suyang, Joven Rebadi, Rosel, Roshandel, Norma Sambulawan, Annalisa Vieira, Rosa Meses, Miss Dan, and Jessie Mitch, and then Lydia is 1 entry, and Maria Janet. Okay. I did not see Comment nga kayo guys kung sino ang wala dito. Sino ang wala dito sa sa listahan. Comment kung sinong wala sa list. Comment ang wala sa list, okay? So for the meantime, itong double entry natin, copy ko muna. Alright, Jobert is excited. Okay, done. Comment kayo guys kung wala kayo, no? So, ito yun ang mga listahan. Kung wala kayo dito, let me know, but you need to follow instruction, okay? Alright. So, kung wala kayo dito, ito yung listahan yun, i-sort ko ha. Annalisa, Grabs Vlog, Elisa Usman, JC Bongolto, Juliza, Joven Ray Badi, Lydia, Margie Soyang, Maria Janet, Mac Jobert, Mila Tolentino, Miss Dan, Norma, Roshandel, Rose Amper, Ruth Mrs., Teresa Very. Alright? And then, meron tayong winner. So, Teresa Very extra raffle entry. Sa game ito, guys, ha? And then, we have Rob's Vlog. Alright. And then, Mac Jobert extra raffle entry. And then we have Margie Soyang. And then we have Ruth Mrs. And Mila Tolentino. Okay. Sige, ready na? Ready na? Thank you sa mga nag-type ng done, no? Alright, thank you so much. Okay, so, nandito na pangalan nyo, no? Wala nang reklamo? Kung wala nang reklamo, okay, so let's do this. Okay, type ready na kung ready na kayo. Para matulog na kayo. Kasi mag-live pa pala ako para sa corporate na, na Zoom. So, let's go. Kailangan na natin, okay. Okay, ready na? Okay, let's do this. Okay, shuffle. First 200 pang load. Claim it. Alright, Elisa. Elisa, calling once, calling twice, calling 3 times. Elisa, where are you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bilisan. 5, 6. Hindi ko nakikita. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Aba, talaga. Akala ko ibigay ko na sa iba. Okay, Elisa. First winner. Alright, let's go to our number 2 winner. Shuffle natin para maraming winner. Alright, let's do it. Okay, I see you, Elisa. Congratulations. Alright, Miss Dan. Miss Dan. Calling once. Calling twice. Calling 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are you? 9, 10. Miss Dan. Where are you, Miss Dan? Ayun, present. Okay. Ibigay ko na sana sa iba. Tagal-tagal nyo magsagot, ha? Alright, Miss Dan is our second winner. Congratulations. Let's do our number 3 winners. Shuffle, shuffle. Yes, I see you, Miss Dan. Congratulations. Alright, let's do this. Sandali. Alright. Our third winner. Pray, 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 pray. Teresa. Alam niyo, ang siswerte dito mga tao na to, nanalo din ito last week. Nanalo ba siya last week? The other week, nanalo siya. Alright, Teresa, calling once, calling twice, calling 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bilis, bilis. 7, 8, 9, 10. Saan? Saan? Nandito wala. Teresa, where are you? Type present. Okay, nandyan pala. Okay. Alright. Congratulations, Elisa, Miss Dan, and Teresa for winning. Alright, remove. Shuffle natin. Congratulations, Teresa. I see you. Oo, medyo mabagal ang ano sa akin eh. Alright, let's do this. Sige na, sinong third? Claim it. Sinong fourth winner natin? Claim it. Aba. Nanalo ito last week. 3 times in a row. Alright, nandito ka ba, Robert? Robert, calling once, calling twice, calling 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayun, I see you. Akala ko ibigay ko na sa iba to eh. Tagal nyo mag-respond, ha? Alright, congratulations, Robert. Remove. Okay, let's have our number 5 winner. Thank you. Yes, I see you, Robert. Let's do it. Alright, talagang maswerte kayo, ha? Let's do it. Sandali nga. Ay, sandali. Shuffle pa natin. Shuffle. Alright, let's... Ayoko magkatapi yung pangalan kasi magano eh. Alright, let's do this. Number 5 winners. Aba, Annalisa, nanalo din ito last week. Ana, nandito ka? Ana, calling once, calling twice, calling 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Ana, 8, 9, 10. Ana, nandito ka? Wala. Saan ka ba? Type present. Ana. Oh, nandito si Maria Jeanette. Wala na. Nanalo. Okay, nandito ba? Saan? Hindi ko nakikita. Wala na. Ibigay natin sa iba. Okay, I see you. Congratulations, Ana. Okay. Alright, i-remove na natin sa Ana. Alright, congratulations everyone. My goodness, that was fun, right? Elisa Osman Miss Dan, Teresa Very, Brabs Vlog, and Annalisa Vera. Tingnan mo guys, no? Wala talaga tayo. Last week, ang dami nating missing, no? Dalawa yata ang wala dito nung nag-raffle tayo. Pero thank God, nandito kayo. So, congratulations sa mga winner, okay? Alright, thank you again, guys, okay? Sa mga nandito, no, let's, JC Mitch, congratulations to all winners. Yeah, I'm here. Okay, nakita kita, Ana. Okay, malapit na kung ang ibigay sa iba eh. Oh, nakakatawa naman. Alright, so, ano na ba? Alright, so, ano na tayo guys? Let's end my raffle, no? Congratulations again sa ating winner, Elisa Usman, Miss Dan, Teresa Very, Brabs Vlog, and Annalisa Vera. Alam niyo na kung anong gagawin niyo. Message me guys so that mapadala natin sa inyo yung mga pang-load ninyo, no? Something na it is very exciting na at least magamit ninyo, no? And then, thank you so much sa aking behind the scene admin. Without you guys, nahirapan talaga ako, no? So, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Alright, sa mga nandito na nag-join, July Sakimpan, Annalisa, Mila Tolentino, Ruta Mrs., Margie Suyang, Jesse Mitch, sino pa ba? Annalisa, nandito si Maria Janet. Yes, thank you. Mac Jobert, Norma Sambulawan, Teresa Very, Brabs Vlog. Alright, Roshandel. Sino pa ba? Lydia. So sa mga nandito, thank you, no? Thank you so much. Okay, to everyone who stayed, commented, liked, and shared. Thank you so much. I just want to leave you with this reminder, no? Importante talaga, no? Gusto ko talaga nyo to na your life changes the moment you become intentional with your time, with your health, and with your decision. Alright? Right? So do not wait for the perfect moment because it doesn't exist. Okay? Start small, stay consistent, and keep showing up because what you do daily is what you become. Naniwala ba kayo niyan, guys? Kung ano yung ginagawa natin, always yun. So talagang dapat we stay focused, stay grateful, stay consistent, and keep believing in your journey. Okay? Success is not something you chase once. It is something you build every single day. Okay? So, I'm just saying this because this is what I learned, and also I make sure that I apply it, right? Yung, kumbaga, ginagawa ko din. Alright? So thank you so much talaga, guys. So thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate each one of you. So again, see you on my next live, and you know when, that is next week Tuesday, same time. Love you guys, and winners, don't forget to message me. Love you.